Cumulative SAT scores are approximated well by a normal model with a mean of 1500, standard deviation of 300. What is the probability that a randomly selected SAT taker scores between 900 and 1100 on the SAT? So in StatCrunch, I'm going to go to Stat, Calculators, Normal. We have two choices here. We have the standard or between. We're doing between two values, so I'm going to go between. I'm going to fill in my mean, which is 1500. Standard deviation, 300. And I want between two values. So the values I have are 900, 1100. Again, this is red, so x is greater than or equal to 900, and x is less than or equal to 1100. And press compute. So we get about 0.068, and it even shades it really nicely for us. So the B part, what is the probability that a randomly selected SAT taker scores at least 1650 on the SAT? So now we're not going to be doing between, we're going to do the standard. So the mean is still 1500, standard deviation still 300. At least, what's at least mean? That means that's the least. So we know it's going to be at least 1650. And so at least means it's going to be greater than or equal to 1650. And so about 0.309. And it even shades it very nicely for us. Okay, the C part, what is the probability that a randomly selected SAT taker scores at most 1700 on the SAT? So at most, using the same calculator, we got mean 1500, standard deviation 300, at most 1700. So that means that's going to be everything less than or equal to 1700. So about 0.748.